Tired of generic e-commerce tracking that misses the mark on individual product revenue? Let's unlock the power of dynamic product pricing in Google Tag Manager and supercharge your data first. Ensure your website's data layer pushes the product price with each purchase or product view event. This variable is your golden ticket. We're looking for something like e-commerce detailbox 0 price or product underscore price, depending on how your developer has set it up. Now head over to Google Tag Manager and create a new variable. Choose data layer variable as the type. In the data layer variable name field, enter the exact path to your product price from your data layer. For example, e-commerce detailbox 0 price. Double check for typos. Give your variable a descriptive name like DLV product price. Save it. Remember to publish a new version of GTM after you are happy with the variable. Next, open the Google Analytics for event tag you want to enhance. In the event parameters section, add a new parameter. Name it something relevant, like product underscore price. For the value, select your newly created DLV product price variable using the variable selector. Save your tag. Now use GTM's preview mode to test. Check if the variable is correctly capturing the product price on your product pages and during the purchase process by inspecting the data layer events. If everything looks good, publish your container now. You're collecting dynamic product prices, giving you more accurate revenue data and opening doors to smarter marketing.